Scheduling the NRCP recirculation pump. In this video, we will show you how to set the recirculation pump schedule on the NRCP. From the home screen, press the clock button. Flashing ACT should appear. Press again to see the current program times that are set. Press the clock button once more to back out to the flashing ACT screen. Toggle left and right to see the available options. The Set option is used to customize the recirculation schedule. The Clear option is used to factory reset to the default schedule of 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. Let's go back to the Set option and push the dial to begin scheduling and program the system to operate only when needed. You will see a flashing clock and zero box along with the default time blocks of 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. Using the dial, you can scroll through the 24-hour time scale in 30-minute increments. For this example, we will select 4 a.m. through 11 a.m. If you wish to deselect a time block, scroll to the time block and press the dial to select it. Once you have selected your desired time frames, press and hold the dial for 2 seconds to return to the ACT mode. Now, press the clock button to return to the home screen where you can see your newly set times highlighted. This concludes the programming of the recirculation schedule. If you have any additional questions regarding the NRCP unit or any other Norritz products, please contact us at 866-766-7489 or visit support.norritz.com.